A Milimani court has summoned an investigating officer with the DCI to explain why he defied a court order and facilitated the deportation of 8 Pakistani girls, yet their cases were in court.
The girls were meant to appear in court this morning for a mention of their case, but they had been deported on Saturday for violating the terms of temporary passes.
Their lawyer says the girls should be paid 9 million shillings as compensation for the violation of their rights since they had valid visas, but the court said it did not have the jurisdiction to grant the prayers sought.
The Pakistani belly dancers who had entered the country with temporary passes, allegedly to promote transnational culture, were arrested on suspicion of being victims of human trafficking.
Custodial orders.
In court on Tuesday, lawyer Ivan Sundieki wanted Cabinet Secretaries Fred Matiang'i of Interior and Rashid Chessa of Sports, Culture and Heritage to pay for their wrongful deportation, even though their case was still in court. Ondieki told Milimani Senior Principal Magistrate Kennedy Cheruiyot that the girls should be paid a total of 9 million shillings as their rights had been violated. He claims the girls had valid visas and special passes issued by the state. Senior Principal Magistrate Kennedy Cheruiyot says his court did not have the jurisdiction to grant the prayers sought. Immigration prosecutor James Masharia had earlier opposed their plea, saying the girls were deported to prevent their psychological torture.
Please, I'm not the man in charge of immigration.
CS Chessa has denied any connections with the girls, saying any documentation on cultural matters is handled by a directorate within the Sports and Culture Ministry. The court has also summoned an investigating officer attached to the DCI for facilitating the girls' deportation, even though the 8 belly dancers were required to appear in court last Friday for the mention of their case. The court had ordered them to be produced in court today, but were deported on Saturday. The government says they had violated Kenya citizenship and migration regulations by engaging in activities outside of what was specified in their entry documents. Leila Mohammed.